welcome to episode 5 down at the Barns, and we're here this morning. We're going to strip the stag to bits during today. The agreement is that the body goes off in about 2 weeks' time, and the guy with a good reputation, but he'll only do it if I actually strip the body for him, just because of his schedule and how much time he's got in the workshops. So I've invited my brother down today. He's a prototype mechanic, so he's got all the brains on how to do this and how to make sure I don't lose all the bits.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
The Triumph Stag was designed with a T-bar across the top of the vehicle, and that was because at the time they were designing it, the American market, they were fearful that they were going to actually ban soft-top cars because of the rollover accidents. So it was all designed in, and then my understanding is the Americans changed their mind, but it was too late by that time, and it's really become a feature of the car, so I don't think anybody would want it taken away.
So Les, we've got our shipment in of parts for the Stag, and I want to show you a couple of things and get your thoughts on it. Okay. So this is an option for you. This could be the shifter. So you can either have the original shifter, which we can convert to like a forward or reverse. That's a bit old school. So you can have something like this. Nice little dial, and we can do modes through the push button on here. Tell me what you think.
Gear shifter it is then.
Okay, right. Thank you very much for that opinion. But I hope that you like this, because this is the motor that's going to go into your car. So this is 120 kilowatt, 160 horsepower. But it's 310 newton meters of torque, so that's probably 2.5, 3 times what you got in your Stag.
Okay, so how does that translate into performance, do you think?
So I think your Stag at the moment probably does 0 to 60 in about 10, 11 seconds. Right. This will cut it down to 7, 6.5, 7, something like that, I would think.
A bit of a compromise on top speed, I take it.
Well, it'll be about 95, so not massive, right?
I'm not sure I want to go along with a 50-year-old car more than 95 anyway.
Yeah, so that's it.
With the Stag now basically just an empty shell, Les decides what he needs to do with all the nuts and bolts he's collected. Okay, so here I am. These are all the bits for the Stag. It's probably 80-90% disassembled now. It's all a bit of a nightmare. Tina and Nick don't seem to be fazed by it, but I've got millions of bits with little bags, little zippy freezer bags with all the nuts and bolts in it connected. And now what I'm doing before I forget, because the body will go off for probably a couple of months, is cataloguing everything, trying to get all the bolts together into boxes so that when I come back I know that's
you know, the front end system, and this is the dash system, and all the other bits that are going on.
Next time, down at the barns, a sound system like no other.
This part of the exhaust, we're going to build a sound system.
And we wheel in the new motor. And somebody's feeling really pleased with themselves.
I'm really quite, yeah, I'm very happy with that.
Please subscribe to our channel in the link below, and we'll see you next time down at the barns.